Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we are going to do this Cheetos unbox. So here is Cheetos. You can see this Cheetos. See, it's a new packet. It says crunchy Cheetos, cheese Cheetos, and here you can see pack size and everything mentioned here. Fun begin. Here is nutrition. Let's open it and try to taste. Sound is very good. Wow, and I open it. Can you show here? Yes, and see, it's crunchy cheese Cheetos. Let me try. See, it's really cheesy Cheetos. I like it. If you want to try, go to supermarket and buy this. Bye bye. Take care.